Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to upgrade your home theater or need a reliable stand for your office projector, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best projector stands on the market, exploring their pros and cons to help you find the perfect fit. Let's jump right in. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Salange SLG15 projector stand. When it comes to mounting your projector, having a reliable and sturdy stand is crucial for ensuring the best viewing experience. The Salange SLG15 projector stand is designed to provide stability, flexibility, and ease of use, making it a popular choice for projector owners. Below, we'll explore the pros and cons of this stand to help you determine if it's the right fit for your needs. Pros: sturdy construction. The Salange SLG15 projector stand is built with aluminum alloy, a strong and durable material that offers a high loading capacity. With the ability to support up to 5 kg, this stand can accommodate a wide range of projectors, ensuring that your device is securely held in place. Foldable and adjustable design. One of the standout features of the Salange SLG15 is its foldable and adjustable structure. The stand is equipped with a double-axis and universal joint design, allowing for multi-angle adjustments. This flexibility means you can easily change the position of your projector to achieve the best viewing angle, whether you're projecting onto a wall, ceiling, or screen. Additionally, the foldable design makes it easy to store or transport the stand when not in use, saving space in your room. Versatile mounting options. The Salange SLG15 stand is versatile in its mounting options. It can be used as both a wall mount and a ceiling mount, with a ceiling mount loading capacity of up to 10 kg. This versatility allows users to choose the mounting option that best suits their setup, whether it's in a home theater, classroom, or office environment. Easy installation. Installation is straightforward with the Salange SLG15 projector stand. It features a simple structure and a standard 1/4-inch bolt, making it easy to attach. Most projectors that have a 1/4-inch hole at the bottom. The clear instructions provided ensure that even those with minimal technical skills can install the stand with ease. Broad compatibility. This stand is compatible with a wide range of projectors, as long as they have a 1/4-inch mounting hole at the bottom. This makes it a versatile option for users who own different projector models or plan to upgrade their projector in the future. Cons. Basic design. The Salange SLG15 projector stand has a functional, no-frills design. While it does the job effectively, it may not appeal to users looking for a more aesthetically pleasing or feature-rich stand. Those who value design and additional features like cable management or integrated shelving may find this stand somewhat basic. The Salange SLG15 projector stand is a reliable and sturdy option for those looking to securely mount their projector. Its strong aluminum alloy construction, foldable and adjustable design, and versatile mounting options make it a practical choice for a variety of settings. Coming in at number 4, we have the Panda ZY-556 projector stand. The Panda ZY-556 projector stand is designed to provide users with a flexible and stable solution for positioning their projectors or webcams. With features like multi-angle adjustability, height customization, and universal compatibility, this stand aims to meet a variety of needs. In this article, we'll delve into the pros and cons of the Panda ZY-556 to help you determine if it's the right fit for your setup. Pros: multi-angle adjustability. The Panda ZY-556 projector stand excels in its ability to adjust the angle of your projector or webcam easily. Whether you're setting up for a presentation, a movie night, or a video conference, the multi-angle design allows you to find the perfect viewing angle. This flexibility is particularly useful in spaces where fixed positioning might not offer the best view. Height adjustable. One of the standout features of the Panda ZY-556 is its height adjustability. Users can customize the height of the stand to ensure their projector or webcam is positioned perfectly, whether it's for eye-level video calls or an optimized projection angle. This feature adds a layer of convenience, especially in environments where different setups are frequently required. Universal compatibility. The stand's universal design makes it compatible with a wide range of projectors and webcams. This versatility ensures that the Panda ZY-556 can adapt to different devices, making it a practical investment for those who may upgrade or change their equipment over time. It's a one-size-fits-most solution that's ideal for both personal and professional use. Cons: weight limitations. While the sturdy metal construction of the Panda ZY-556 provides good support, it's essential to consider the weight of your projector or webcam. Heavier devices might not be as stable on this stand, and it's crucial to ensure that the stand's capacity matches your equipment's weight to avoid potential issues. The Panda ZY-556 projector stand offers a versatile and reliable solution for positioning your projector or webcam. Its multi-angle adjustability, height customization, and universal compatibility make it a practical choice for a variety of setups. The quick installation process and sturdy metal construction further enhance its appeal, making it a convenient and durable option. At number 3, the Hagibis OHP01 projector stand. The Hagibis OHP01 projector stand is designed to provide a flexible and durable solution for setting up projectors, SLR cameras, and other compatible devices. With features such as 360-degree panorama adjustment, horizontal and elevation projection capabilities, and an International 1/4 standard screw for compatibility, this stand is geared towards users who need versatility and convenience. This article will explore the pros and cons of the Hagibis OHP01 projector stand to help you decide if it meets your requirements. Pros: PIA 360-degree panorama adjustment. One of the standout features of the Hagibis OHP01 is its 360-degree panorama adjustment capability. Thanks to the universal rotating ball design, users can easily adjust the angle of their projector or camera to suit various projection needs. Whether you require a precise horizontal setup or an elevation projection, this stand allows you to make adjustments on the fly, ensuring optimal viewing angles in any situation. Horizontal and elevation projection. The Hagibis OHP01 is designed for both horizontal and elevation projection, making it adaptable to different setups and environments. This flexibility is particularly useful for presentations, home theaters, and professional settings where the angle of projection can significantly impact the viewing experience. Durable alloy material. Constructed from 4mm alloy material that has been anodized and sandblasted, the Hagibis OHP01 is both durable and aesthetically pleasing. The surface is not only delicate to the touch but also wear-resistant and corrosion-resistant, ensuring that the stand remains in good condition even with regular use. This durability makes it a reliable option for long-term use. Cons: fixed height. Although the Hagibis OHP01 offers excellent adjustability in terms of angle and rotation, it does not feature height adjustability. This limitation could be a drawback for users who need to frequently change the height of their projection setup. In such cases, users might need to find alternative solutions or consider a stand with adjustable height. The Hagibis OHP01 projector stand offers a versatile and durable solution for users looking to enhance their projection setups. With features like 360-degree panorama adjustment, horizontal and elevation projection capabilities, and compatibility with a wide range of devices, this stand provides the flexibility needed for various environments and scenarios. Its durable alloy construction and convenient storage options further add to its appeal, making it a practical choice for both personal and professional use. In the second spot, we have the Liboer ZY25 projector stand. The Liboer ZY25 projector stand is a compact yet versatile accessory designed to enhance your projection experience. With multi-angle adjustment, 360-degree horizontal rotation, and a sturdy build, this stand is ideal for both home and professional use. Whether you're looking to set up a projector in your living room or need a reliable stand for presentations, the Liboer ZY25 offers a range of features that make it a practical choice. In this article, we'll explore the pros and cons of the Liboer ZY25 projector stand to help you decide if it's the right fit for your needs. Pros: multi-angle adjustment. One of the standout features of the Liboer ZY25 is its multi-angle adjustment capability. The stand allows for both 360-degree horizontal rotation and up and down tilting by 60 deg, making it easy to find the perfect angle for your projector. This flexibility is particularly useful for achieving the ideal projection angle, whether you're watching a movie, giving a presentation, or playing video games. Stable placement stability is crucial when it comes to projector stands, and the Liboer ZY25 excels in this area. The stand is designed with non-slip pads at the bottom, which prevent the projector from shaking or moving during use. This feature is especially important for ensuring a smooth and uninterrupted viewing experience, whether you're at home or in a professional setting. Compact and convenient, weighing in at just 557 g and with dimensions of 20.5 x 20 x 8.5 centimeters, the Liboer ZY25 is compact and easy to use. Its small size makes it convenient to carry and set up anywhere, whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go. Despite its compact size, the stand has a robust bearing capacity of 10 kg, making it suitable for most projectors. Cons: small size for larger projectors. While the stand is compact and convenient, its size might be a drawback for users with larger projectors. The 20.5 x 20 x 8.5 centimeters dimensions may not provide sufficient stability or support for bulkier projectors, potentially limiting its use to smaller devices. The Liboer ZY25 projector stand is a versatile and compact solution for anyone looking to enhance their projection experience. Its multi-angle adjustment, universal compatibility, and stable placement make it a practical choice for both home and professional use. The stand's additional storage space and durable aluminum alloy construction add to its appeal, providing a reliable and convenient option for various settings. And finally, at number 1, we have the Erikole projector stand. The Erikole projector stand is designed with stability, flexibility, and convenience in mind. Whether you're setting up a projector for a movie night, a business presentation, or a classroom lecture, the Erikole stand promises to provide reliable support with its well-thought-out features. In this article, we'll explore the pros and cons of the Erikole projector stand, helping you decide if it's the right accessory for your setup. Pros: stable center of gravity. One of the key features of the Erikole projector stand is its stable center of gravity. This ensures that the projector remains securely in place, even when positioned at various angles. The stand's design emphasizes balance force distribution, which is crucial for preventing any tipping or wobbling during use. This stability is particularly important when using the stand in environments where the projector might be subject to movement or vibration. Strong support. With a 20 centimeters chassis, the Erikole stand features a chassis with a diameter of 20 centimeters, providing strong and reliable support for your projector. The large base helps distribute the weight evenly, minimizing the risk of rollover. This is especially beneficial for users with larger or heavier projectors, as the wide base can accommodate and support them without compromising stability. Flexible angle adjustment. Flexibility is another highlight of the Erikole stand. It allows for easy angle adjustment, making it possible to achieve the perfect projection angle in any environment. The upgraded gimbal design enhances this flexibility, offering up to 90 deg of adjustment. This feature is particularly useful for users who need to project onto different surfaces or adjust the angle for different viewing experiences. Cons: a limited height adjustment. While the Erikole projector stand excels in angle adjustment, it does not offer height adjustment. This limitation might be a drawback for users who need to elevate their projector to a specific height. In such cases, additional accessories or stands might be required to achieve the desired setup. The Erikole projector stand is a solid choice for anyone seeking a stable, reliable, and flexible stand for their projector. Its strong support, universal compatibility, and versatile angle adjustment make it a practical option for a variety of uses, from home entertainment to professional presentations. The upgraded gimbal design is a standout feature, allowing for precise and smooth adjustments, which is essential for achieving the perfect projection angle.